Hello guys, and today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button. I'm here to play the series part 4. Let's just begin. So we just finished an event. Yeah guys. Well, let's just begin. Yeah, we just had the Zombies and Skeletons event challenge, and now look at us now. We can jump really high. Guys, where are you going? So yeah guys, did you see my video before I made this one? And guys, I'm actually gonna go to the plane today. I'm gonna go to it after after a couple hours. Yay! We just won the challenge. But guys, I am so excited to go. Oh, we lost our jump. Oh, come on. Oh, oh. Hmm. Okay. Easy. Oh, no. Oh. Easy. But guys, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 300 subscribers by September 1st, 2026. Okay? Guys, please do that. I would be really happy. And great, I just oofed. Hey, you flinged me. No. I barely survived. Oh, oh my god. This game is so glitchy. Yeah, come on. It's a new noob. Well, they're not noobs at this, they're actually good. Oh my god, now my McDonald's Wi-Fi again. Oh, that girl was floating. Oh, yeah, guys. Yay! Notes being played in 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 4, 2, 2. 1, 4, 2, 2. Oh, not this again. How many times is my I oofed myself because like the game wasn't gaming. Oh, oh good, it worked. Looks like somebody's a fan of Ronaldo. Phew. Why you oof? There we go. Let's go. My McDonald's Wi-Fi is McDonald'sing again. Huh? What? Oh my god. Why are you guys frozen in place? What? What? Does everyone just teleport? Guys, hello? Yeah, and I can somehow... sometimes I can win this game without even trying. As you can see. Yeah, that guy's is about... Oof. One. Finally, early. You took so long. Oh my god. Guy, just wait for like 10 seconds. Hello. Okay, no. Oh, hell no. Yeet. Finally, that was crazy. Literally crazy. Well, yay. Dude, look at me now. I'm so fast. Now it's 64. Where am I? My internet is just so bad, guys. I'm trying to shoot. You know, I'll just not do anything. I'll just read these descriptions. Fake bomb. Really, out of all of my items, this is my own description. How many things did I ever buy? Magic 8 ball? No, I'm not buying that. Time's up. One with 22 points. Oh. Huh. How, guys, how? Really? Oh. Jump to the top. Come on, he's gonna reach. He's gonna reach. He's gonna reach me, guys. I need to start moving. Literally, no pun intended. Yeah. Wee. Cake. I'm gonna be the guy who gets it. Huh? Wait, I think that guy's the don't press the button creator, right? Yeah, that guy's, yeah, the chef is the legend.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Cheese. Finally, a fair picture.
Yummy.
Yay, that picture is actually the best picture I've ever took in this exact event. And yup, same developer. I am the seeker. I am the seeker, weaker, heeker. That's so dumb. Wait. Really? Is that the only person I could find? You know what? I'll just make everyone win. Oh, yellow. Oh, coin. Oh, come on, I didn't get the coin. What? No, no. Wow, everyone is so curious. Kids these days. Oh, the maze. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, this could help me. My Wi-Fi is so bad right now. The way to get to the maze is actually submerged into my head. Just follow me, guys. I am so good at this one. Okay. Yeet. Huh? What? Where is everybody? Haha, you couldn't win. Oh, hell no. No! Thank you. I really appreciate that. I'm not surprised. Pie in the face. Yes, I pied you, in fact. Huh? Your avatar looks weirder from the front. Yeah, sure. No, 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 no. Who knows who could have happened? Everyone in this server.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Vsauce, I'm such a big fan. Need to get these as... Huh? No, dude, no. Oh, great, now I'm just holding this. This is just so glitched. Oh, no, dude. No, I'll just plug this in. Plug this. Easy. Oh. Watch me do this first try. Yay. Oh my god, seeing them lose is so funny. Dude, yes, make it. Dude, this guy's actually good. Dude, you're actually good at this. This is my present to you. Here, do you like green? It matches your hat. Fine. Yay! Oh my god, how did the other person not show up? Baldi! Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, 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 clap, clap, clap. Baldi, come over here. Guys, you want me to...
Let's be friends. Will you be my friend? I need a hug. Let's be friends.
Yay! Oh! I'm going on it! Yeah, you know what? Oof. Yeah, get it. Just be happy. Uh. What? Yeah, this is why I hate glitches. Please, everyone be good. Please, no mistakes. Yes, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Looks like it. Dude, put it. Put it. Oh my god. Everyone, pie this guy in the face. Thank you. Thank you. Baldy again? Yeah, everyone's fighting back. That fits. Oh my God. That actually fits good on you, Baldy. You know what? I'm just gonna go here. Yeah. Oh my God, you were so close, man. Oh my God. How long are these challenges? Good, there are more people on the blue team. Oh yeah, you put that in and I'll do this. Put it in. You guys are acting like we're fighting each other. Thank you. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in. I am so tired. Yay. Okay, guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers by September 1st this year, 2026. Bye.